and welcome to madhurasrecipe.com. Today I am making Bhopalyache Gharge or Gharya. This is a Maharashtrian sweet dish. This is basically sweet puri prepared by using pumpkin puree. Now today I am gonna show you a quick version of making this pumpkin puri. So let's start with the recipe. Now traditionally when we make this Bhopalyache Gharge or pumpkin puri, first thing that we need to do is buy pumpkin. We usually make use of red pumpkin to prepare this puri. After we get the pumpkin, we need to peel that out, cut that, then we have to either boil it or cook it, which is very long and time consuming process. Now to avoid all these steps, what you need to do is you need to get this pumpkin puree. And this pumpkin puree is usually used for pie filling. This is easily available at any store near bakery section, and this is pretty inexpensive too. Now I'm gonna need a cup of this pumpkin pie filling. Take this into microwave bowl. Then add in half cup of this grated jaggery or gur and give this a good mix. And next I'm gonna microwave this over high power for about 3 to 4 minutes, just right till the time this jaggery melts down, and you need to make sure that you give it a stir in between. Well, here I have cooked this puree for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna give it a stir, and I'm gonna put this back in microwave for 2 more minutes. Alright, so instead of 2 minutes, here I have cooked this for 3 more minutes. Now in this I'm gonna add just a dash of nutmeg powder, just a little bit, and give this a mix. Again, everyone's microwave is different, so you might want to adjust cooking time accordingly. Now I'm gonna set this bowl aside and allow it to cool down a little bit. Alright, this is cooled down a little bit. Now in this I'm gonna start to add some wheat flour. Add half cup of wheat flour first, then add in some fine suji, 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon, half tablespoon of this fennel seeds or soap, and give this a mix. This fennel seeds adds unique flavor in this dish. Now keep adding wheat flour right till the time this mixture comes together like semi-stiff dough or it gets chapati dough consistency. I will need to add some more wheat flour. Mix. And now set this dough aside for just about 10 minutes. Well, here this dough has been sitting for 10 minutes. Next we're gonna roll this out like puri, and we need to deep fry this puri. So here I have kept some oil to heat up over medium to high heat. Now I'm gonna divide this dough into 2 equal parts. Keep this other dough covered. Now smooth this out. You could use some oil. Now next I'm gonna add just a drop of oil on the rolling board. Place this dough and start to roll it. Roll this out into big size chapati. That's it. Now it needs to be a little bit thick. Then I'm gonna make use of this lid of the jar and just push it down, and there you go, these small round puris. Now I'm gonna repeat same process with the rest of dough. Now here I have rolled out all these puris. Now while you keep rolling your puris, make sure that the puris you have rolled out to cover it with clean towel or napkin. Now next I'm gonna deep fry this puris. Now here all looks enough hot. Now next I'm gonna drop 1 puri at a time and just press it down a little bit. Yum, look at that, it puffs up really good. Now flip this on and let it get cooked from other side as well till it gets good golden color from both the sides. Now drain off all excess oil from it. This puri is smelling super delicious. It saves lots of time and energy. It stays good for up to 6 to 7 days. So it makes a perfect snack to carry for picnic or long drives. The list of ingredients and text version of this recipe is available on my website madhurasrecipe.com, developing a new taste. See you soon. Bye bye.